That is the Poblacion barangay. From there, you need to come down in the valley for another 20 minutes. You have to cross the bridge, then you take a left. After that, I'm already here. After the bridge, you have to hike up. Still, I have to go there up. I saw the waterfalls. I will ask the village people over there how to go there. Fairly, if I go close by, then I can fly my drone. That is an idea. I saw the waterfalls. I'm walking towards it. Can't believe this thing. Some place really hot. Wow. Exploring. Very good exercise. Anytime if we come over here, there's a two-way going. This looks like a main way. Anyway, I had to go up. There's a house. How far it is? 5 minutes, 10 minutes? 5 minutes? Okay, encouraging word. 5 minutes. Small dog. So this is the waterway. Look how beautiful it is. So let it go up. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. So many houses. Nobody. Can't believe this thing. Nobody. It's creepy. There's a two-way. Let's go this way. You can see the waterfall. Wow. Shit. Very long distance. I think I'll take the upper path to go there. No choice. I'm almost close by, but the mist is coming down. Look how close by I am. Came very long way. When you see from like this, it came very long way, still steep. Maybe I will go to the first level. After that I don't. That's the idea. Let's see. Still I had to go that much distance. That much distance I had to go. There's a hanging bridge. Seriously. I didn't expect that. I don't know. This way leads to where? Maybe I'm in the wrong way, but you need to check it out. If it goes up, it's fine. If it goes down, then I need to change my way. Okay, let's check it out. I think I'm in the wrong way because it's going to go down. Another bridge. What a surprise. This is like a mini falls. Look at that. I had to go there. You see? I had to go there. I don't think so. This way leads. Let's see. If it goes up, we continue. If it goes down, we'll go back. Beautiful. Still a long way to go there. I'm really tired. Look at that. Very, very long way to go. But I'm going to try my best to do it. Right now it's almost like 1:21. The mist is coming down. You can see. You can see it's raining. I'm hiding under the rock. Look at that. Look at the rock. I'm hiding under. It's full of rain right now. I had to wait. No choice today. Lucky I find this spot. So it's kind of shelter right now. God is so great. I tried to go there. It is a dense forest. There is no pathway. I stop over here. It's already late. At the same time, misting and going everywhere. Right now it's clear, almost like 3:40. Luckily, it was cleared. I got the drone shot. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, it would be awesome. Thank you. Alright, right now it's 3:40. I almost waited for this clear sky and the waterfalls because so much of mist come inside. I am waiting for 2 hours. In 2 hours, 2 times raining. At the same time, mist already covered the waterfalls. I couldn't fly my drone. Finally, the mist was clear. Now I got the drone shot. I'm really satisfied. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you. I'll see you guys next video soon. Bye. Mwah.